Super maganda. Congratulations sa everyone and the whole team. Congratulations, Direk. Ito na, sobrang maganda po yung pelikula and I'm really inviting you guys to watch.
It's a story about family, how you cope up with each other, kahit matagal na hindi nakikita.
So when we were doing it, we didn't imagine it would turn out that way. Pero wow, amazing!
No, nakakatuwa na nakaka-relate din sila, kaya sila tumatawa.
Sobrang nakakatawa to. Funny.
Yung film napakaganda, nakakatawa, halo-halo emotion, pang family, pang lahat na isama nyo lahat dito buong barangay.
Ika patuloy?
Anong paki mo? Oh, menopause baby kasi ang baby kong yung pakis ka.
Sobrang excited ako kung paano ang naging resulta nung paghihirap namin na one take. Isang kumbaga sa pagkanta, isang hinga, yun na.
I'm happy po and excited to show the world our movie.
Nakakataba ng puso yung tumatawa sila.
It's a one take and you follow each characters and the balance of everything. The people outside are all coordinated well. It's all well directed.
I'm very happy na nagugustuhan nila at mukhang natanggap nila yung estilo na ginawa ni Direk Alex because talagang nakita mo nun, tinuhog-tuhog yung buong pelikula. And hopefully, magustuhan din ng mga manonood.
Everyone knows everyone showing on October 22. Sana po, bigyan nyo ng chance. Tumawa na lang po tayo para makalimutan natin mga problema natin. And maalala natin kung gaano natin kamahal ang pamilya natin.
Cardiac arrested?
Hindi arrested. Arrest, Josie. Cardiac arrest.
Past tense, di ba namatay na si Mama?